Hey you guys, so this is me shaking Noah's medicine and I'm about to give it to Noah. This really small syringe allows me to put this in Noah's small beak. It's also important to do syringe training just in case your birds get sick. So this is me about to give medication to Noah. Noah is really used to syringe and towel. It's important to always train your birds to be comfortable toweling them just in case they get sick. So a day in my life after the gym is going to be showering my macaws. When they're too loud, I usually shower them. But honestly, they have to shower every day. Now time to clean all the mess that my parrots made. Cleaning these big freaking cages is definitely a pain, but I have OCD, so I clean a lot.